Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awuyemi. In this video, I'm going to show you again how you can receive and confirm your ATH that somebody sends to you. The first thing is to come to under your wallet to click on receive. So copy this your wallet. So this your wallet is your registered Gmail when signing up, and copy this and send this to that person. So I'm going to copy this now. I'm going to where I'm going to receive I'm going to send this. I'm going to confirm. As you can see, this is 114, and let us proceed to where we are going to send and receive our ATH. So I'm going to pause this now. So guys, this is the account that I want to send the wallet to, that I want to send ATH to. I'm going to come to under wallet. I'm going to click on send. I'm going to click on transfer. I'm going to enter. I'm going to select the access type amount. I'm going to select 15. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to see the address. Now you are going to paste the address that you are going to send it to somebody that is going to help you to send that ATH, and that person going to you can see going to send OTP verification to that registered Gmail. So our OTP is 814816, and click on send. You can see token sent successfully. So I'm going to pause this. So now after the person have sent you ATH, what you are going, how do you confirm it? Comes under your wallet here. You can see 129. Click ATH. You can see plus 15 receive token. So this is how you are going to receive the ATH that somebody sends to you, and you are going to confirm maybe it's successful or you receive it. So thanks for watching my video, and please make sure that you subscribe, like this video, share this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.